Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So a couple of things on the cards here. So the first thing is we've got this beautiful crossover of all the moving averages. We should complete it this week, and that is a bullish sign. The only problem we do have is we do have a bit of a sort of a wedge. I'm just going to leave it as a channel for now because that's kind of what the DAX likes. And let me just do that. Okay, so that is the channel that we're in at the moment. DAX loves channels. Inside the channel is a bit of a wedge, and we are coming up into a zone of intense resistance. And you can see we did kind of close above it, well, close on it, not above it. There it is there. So looking to the left, and if I just go to the weekly, you'll see what I'm talking about. Have a look at how often this area was used as resistance in the past, and we've tried to use it as support once, then resistance, and now we're back at this level. And I can go back further in time, and it is probably a good idea just to put the top end of that on. There it is there, and then I want that one. I want this top as well. So if we just get back to the levels here, you see those three levels, see how they all tie up inside the weekly moving averages here. So could be a situation similar to what we've experienced. So rally, rejection, fall. Okay, that could be what is transpiring. We do have a weekly trend line here, which we are also just flirting with at the moment. So just get back down to the levels we're looking for. We've got the macro picture. We're at the first level. We've got this trend line just above us, and then we've got these other two levels here. So what we should actually be doing is looking for support off structure to continue buying. We are overbought at the moment with a bit of diversion, so you need to do this with a little bit of caution. 3 hour, we did ease off, and then we had that solid close. So also another grouping there. Could be a bit of a rejection here that you'd be expecting, but we don't want to be, we want to go with the trend, and the current trend is up. So you don't want to just be jumping in, you want to find an area of support. So this is the area of support that we have at the moment. Let's get that exactly on there. So that is the first one, 13257. Then what you're looking for is just going to drop that a little bit down like that. So two areas. Let's just do this on the 15 minutes just in case there's something else we need to pay attention to. Okay, so this is the first area of support, which is 13257. Then any one of these tails here between 13257 and 13192 could offer support. So what you'd be wanting to watch is to see whether you get some support on one of these levels. If you hit it, you get some price action. So it's going to be pin bars, inside bars, or engulfing bars. That's what you're looking for on structure, and that will give you the opportunity to buy back into this. Your first target area is going to be 13373. Then your second target area is going to be top of the channel here, which is going to be around 13491. I suspect we probably stretch to 13500. And then ultimately you have this 13600 area where I suspect we're going to have a lot of resistance. So that's kind of the setups that I've got today. Look for the pullbacks on structure. We want to see price action giving us a fairly decent opportunity, and then we're looking for a move to the upside. That is, I just want to check this. We're already down 0.5% here, but nevertheless, if we start dropping below these areas and start using these areas for resistance, then I suspect we are moving further down to come and test this zone here that we were battling with all most of last week, which is at 13050. And you can see how we battled with it for a couple of days. There it is there. So that's kind of the structure that I've got at the moment. We're looking for longs, but we do want to be buying off support, and there's no support up there, so this is the zone you want to wait for. Just refresh 13,192 and 13,257. You're looking for something on one of those levels or inside here on one of these tails that are there. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.